Okay, hey guys, this is a freaking sweet looking typewriter. This is your typical Smith Corona Sterling. I think this is from the 1930s. I'd have to look that up for sure. I'm not exactly sure when it was made, but this is one that I've wanted for a while. But I have too many typewriters, so I'm going to sell it. It's in great condition. The whole thing as a whole is in great condition. Nothing wrong with the writing, maybe just a little bit on the O and the N on the Corona. And in regards to that, everything else is in just super great condition. It is a little dirty, needs a little bit of upkeep, but it's, fully functional as it is. This is your spacing. I think you can change up here. Should be one. Yeah, one space. That's pretty close to this too. That's fine. It's not hitting it. One space, two space. Here's your carriage release back here on both sides. This is to release the paper so that if it's crooked, you can move it around. I'll show you that in a minute. These are just to hold the paper into place. This, I assume, this is going to be the button to put whenever you're putting it in the case, which it does come with. You hit this button, and that gets it to where it's supposed to be in the case. So I guess basically centered in the case. What else? Let's see if I can't. Got to move it over. All that looks good. Might need a new ribbon at some point. This one's decent, but needs a little bit new one. What else? Is there anything else? If you push on the side over here or pull it out, there's a little button you pull out right here. That makes it to where it can move freely. I think it also does it here too. No, I guess not. Typically, sometimes there's something. What else is going on the backside? To do different tabs, you just move these guys over, I believe. I don't want to mess that up. I'm not sure if that's correct. Yeah, these things just pop out of the back. I don't know if you can see that. And then you just put them in where you want the tabs to be. So the tab does work. To tab, here's the ribbon selector. You got black, stencil, red. And then to tab, there's a million tabs in there. So I wonder how you get back on this. The margin release. Margin's going to be back here. These big guys, I believe you just push them in like that. So here's the margin on either side. Push them in, slide them over. That's how those work. Here's your bunny ears back here to hold up your paper. All right, so I'll go feed some thing. One thing this does have that's a little bit screwy, in my opinion, is this rolls fine forward. It's a little stiff, but back it's really hard. So back does do it, but it's kind of locks up and wants to act up a little bit. Not sure if it needs a little bit of grease, but the front seems fine and it does work fine. But basically that means when you try to yank the paper out, it's gonna have trouble. You're gonna want to pull it from the front. So this way it works, but even then it didn't roll, if you notice. But the back way, I guess it just pulls out, so it doesn't seem like an issue. Okay, so if you pull it in or get it in all crooked like that, here's your paper release. Just slide it around, make it still, and see, to go back, it's a little tricky there. So that's just an old typewriter. That's gonna happen with this kind of stuff. But yeah, that's kind of the setup of it. I'm going to go ahead and type through all the letters and numbers. Oh, a little sticky on that. So I'll work on that. I'll get the 9 down. It's easy to fix. That's not a problem. I'll get that going before I sell it. See, to go back, it's kind of hard. It's tricky. I need to figure out that too. So yeah, now I'm going to do caps. caps. The shift is here. What's it say? Floating shift. Oh, floating shift. And then shift lock is right there. That's the one I'll work on. Cool. And the red does work as well. And I will show you all that in a photo in the Etsy to where you get an actual picture of it. But that's the typewriter. The only thing I need to work on, I think, is the 9, which won't be a problem. I can get that unstuck in a couple seconds. Very easy to do. Aside from that, it's a good typewriter. Like I said, this is the only thing that kind of is a pain to go back. You got to kind of force it. But forward is fine. Back is the hard part. Got to almost use 2 hands. I'm not sure if it just needs to be greased. I don't know enough about them to figure that out, but it's still functional as it is. So, yep, let me know if you have any questions or concerns. That is the Smith Corona Sterling. What a beautiful, beautiful typewriter. Let me see if I can't find the, what's it called, the number as well, model number. I'll find that and take a picture of that as well. So, thanks guys. Talk to you later.